how to buy Kaito AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Kaito. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, if you check their X account, you will be able to find a post, as you can see. So this is it. Now click on it. As you can see, the Kaito pre-launch market is now live. Trade Kaito perp with up to 3x leverage. So this token, it's live for now on the Drift, as you can see, trade. So if you go to this website, what you need to do after that, connect your wallet. For that I will use the Phantom wallet. So after you connect your wallet to that the exchange platform, go back to their X account and copy the token of this from here, as you can see. So after you copy it, go back to this website and click here and paste the token of this, as you can see, the token symbol here. As you can see, you will be able to see this Kaito perp. Now click on it. So as you can see, click on I understand. Now here, as you can see, what you need to do, they said here the trade size. As you can see, you can switch to USDC and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet, of course. Now here's like how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see the market price here. So after that, click on deposit to be able to buy this token. So if you click on the limit here, you can switch it, and here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see the fee, and here you can click on the pause or long, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Kaito token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.